Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is EVC Gaming, and in today's video, we're going to be we're basically going to be showing you if the duffel bag is worth it or not. And not all of you may be doing, but in Jailbreak, basically you can buy this item for 300 Robux, which is an increased duffel bag. So your bag for carrying items or everything becomes larger. And right now I have it on my account, but my other account, but our friend Binu131, he doesn't have it. So we're gonna be seeing how much of a difference there is between yes duffel bag and no duffel bag, and whether it's worth it to actually buy the duffel bag. And also the August patch notes just released, so we're gonna be seeing what all differences they made. And first we're gonna start off with museum, and remember we're gonna be robbing each of the stores 3 times, and we're gonna see who makes more money, Binu131 or us. And you probably guys know that it's obviously going to be us, but how much of a difference. And the August patch notes just released, so that means that there's a lot of patches. And so the museum glitch should be patched. We're just going to check it out. Let's try it.
Okay, let's see if it actually is patched. I think, yeah,
Yep.
it's patched.
They've patched the museum glitch, and like you guys just saw, the blade just hits things and just moves. It doesn't really stick onto them anymore.
And the
also,
blade does not climb anymore.
Yeah. And some people are saying that, let's check that out. Oh, sorry, not blade, museum is broken. So let's see if it is. People are saying that it is impossible to pull the lever now. And if it is, then because the blade glitch doesn't work, it's really impossible to leave the museum. So we're going to check out if that's true. Right now you can see with the increased duffel bag, we have 8 kgs instead of just 4.
My friend has started off with 874,000. We just rounded up. And I have 96,000 exactly. I'm gonna really quick solve this puzzle.
So yeah, we're doing this really quick.
Done. Is my friend ready to pull?
Oh wait, he oofed. I can hear the oofing sound. Wait, okay. Wait,
I think he has to come back.
Okay, we're gonna have to wait for him now. Okay, we're gonna go and solve the other puzzle so that when he comes, all he has to do is just grab the bones real quick and then just pull the lever.
Let's see if there's a problem with that.
Okay, so right now we're just solving the puzzle, and some people have been saying that to pull the museum lever is really hard. So we're gonna be just looking at it if it's hard to pull or not.
Let's see.
Let's just see.
Oh no, it's not.
It's easy. There's no difference. Wow. People have been saying that like the museum thing just like is vibrating and it's hard, but you guys saw it here now. There's no problem with the levers.
I think they fixed it again today after they updated the game.
We don't know, but all we do know is that it's fixed. So no need to worry about that.
My friend is here, as you can see.
And
he's
my
on the
friend
map.
is here. He's on the map. So yeah, right now he's just grabbing the things.
He went in and he's grabbing the mummy.
He should be grabbing the mummy.
Yeah, I'm going to pull.
We're gonna pull the lever now.
And boom. Yeah. So,
There we go. He came in his Lambo.
Binu31, can you please sit in my thing? Yeah.
You would get 4,000 cash from the museum, but with the increased duffel bag, we get
6,400.
Yep.
Okay. So we robbed the museum once, and as you can see, the blade didn't climb. So I think they removed the climbing feature.
Which is kind of upsetting.
It does not climb.
It's kind of upsetting, but I guess that's the only thing they could do to remove that blade sticking to wall thing.
Okay, let's go. We're now gonna be doing power plant today, because then we both need different vehicles, and he's playing on mobile. So for some reason, when he does the power plant, he gets kicked out of the game. So we're not gonna be doing power plant today. See, as you can see, the blade is not climbing at all.
Yeah, so they removed the climbing feature.
We're gonna directly go to the... Look at all that grass stuff.
The graphics are being weird.
Yeah. That used to happen on the other road, now it's happening on this road. I'm gonna leave him this. I'm gonna take these.
So yeah, and as you know, for the jewelry store, with the increased duffel bag, you get 4,000.
5,000.
Or 5,000, sorry. And with the normal duffel bag, or the normal bag, you only get 2,000. So it's quite a big difference. And as you guys know, the cash is the exact same. So right now, for the jewelry store, increased duffel bag gives you 5,000 cash, and normal duffel bag gives you 2,000 cash.
I started off at 96,000 and he started off at 874,000.
Now you can see he's at 878 and we're at 102. So we just gained 6,000, where he only gained 4,000.
Yeah.
So
we both robbed the. Oh, I have to take these. One punch. That's it. There we go.
Now we're going to be doing museum. Sorry, not museum, jewelry store, Ravi.
I should have gotten my jetpack.
Yeah. And oh, we should also check if the jetpack has been nerfed. We're also going to check that out. We're not sure if it has been. This is a patch note update, so it might have been, but we're going to check that out later. Watch till the end to see if it has been or not.
Then the 3-1 is already out. I got one hit. It's okay.
Final level.
Last level. There we go.
Quickly completing it. Yep, now we're going to get out and yeah. As you can see, Bino121 has 880 because he just turned in the jewelry store, the money from the jewelry store. So he has that much.
Here and there we go, boom. Oh, and then just let him sit.
And now we're gonna go to the bank.
Sit. Come on.
Bin.
Sit.
Okay, he just sat in, and now we're gonna go to the bank.
Oh. I gave before you.
He gave the jewelry store money before us. That's what he's saying.
Yes. That's true.
Because he is actually a bit better at parkour than us.
No, actually, it's because I have to take extra cash, right?
That's also true. Now we're doing bank.
Ooh, briefcase. Just to be clear, briefcases do not.
Count.
Briefcases count. Okay, briefcases do not count. So we're gonna remove 1,500 in the end.
So in the end, from our amount, we're gonna remove 1,500 cash. So we just got the keycard now, and now we're gonna be robbing the bank. And depending on what vault it is, we get different amount of
Oh,
money.
it's blue.
Okay, so it's floor blue. So with the increased duffel bag, we get
5,000 and he gets 3,500, I think. Am I right?
Yep. So yeah, with the non-increased duffel bag, you get 3,500, and with the 300 Robux duffel bag, you get 5,000.
Let's go. Let's go.
So yeah, it's a big difference. And also remember that whenever you're doing floor blue, stand to the right of it when you're entering the vault, or else you could get crushed by the vault.
Yeah, that's true.
So yeah, just remember that. Okay. So now just waiting for this to fill up, and then after this, we're going to be going to
The museum again.
for this our second round. And yes, it is only going to be museum, jewelry store, bank, museum, jewelry store, bank. So sorry if it's not. And now
He's gonna open up the vault, kind of thing.
we're just waiting to fill up still.
And guys, if you go out of this like blue carpet thing, you won't get any money. Like, okay.
No,
Okay,
you
sure.
will get money, but it'll show that you collected the money.
Yeah, it'll be a bit annoying.
Yeah, it's kind of annoying. It takes time, so yeah. And this smoke doesn't clear out, just saying.
Yeah, I'm out.
So as you can see, we got 5,000 cash from that, and we're at 114,000 now. And Bino121 is at 883,000, which means he only got 3,000 cash from that. So now we're going back to MSM, which is the museum.
Museum.
Yeah.
It's going really fast. The blade, according to this glitch again.
It's not really a glitch; it's just graphics.
It's weird, yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, and as you can see, the blade is not climbing at all.
Yeah,
So
but
for all you
I think
blade
it's
users-
better. It's much faster according to me.
So yeah, for all you blade users, remember it's not going to climb anymore. So yeah, if you're doing pop plant or something, remember that and then only rob it. So, and a tip if you have the increased duffel bag is to go for the paintings because they give you 4 kgs each, and it's just like quick, just get in and grab the 2 of them and then you're done.
And
So
they're
quick.
also pretty fast.
Yep, it's pretty fast also. It's kind of like grabbing 2 balls. You can see we're about to do this. Okay, this one our friend already did.
And pull.
Yep, we just pull the lever.
Yeah, that's it.
Now we're out.
Now I go get my blade.
Blade is up there. We're gonna go get it.
Broken ladders.
Anyway, after we get this, so if you guys remember from the earlier part of that's actually really good. So if you think about it in the long run, 2 museum robberies is technically speaking 12,800. which is a good amount. I think at least it's a good amount. So yeah.
So we're just gonna turn it in. Wait, I ain't getting. Okay, got the money. That was
There we go.
weird for a second. I didn't get any money.
And as you guys know, we just got the 400 assists, and now the game's lagging. Oh no, game's lagging. But yeah, we got the 400 assists, so we're gonna cut that off.
The two 400s and that we also
And the
got
1,500. So
Yeah, so-
totally, we need to cut off. If you guys know, calculate in the comments. We're gonna tell you how much it is in the end. But yeah, calculate and tell us in the comments.
Whoa, what
Oh,
happened to
Binu
that?
just jumped out.
Ready? Where?
He's inside the police base somehow.
Somehow he's inside.
Okay, so he's gonna
Just
climb
climb
up,
up and just get out.
and he's gonna jump out onto a blade.
That was weird. Some weird glitch. Okay, just jump
I
out.
don't need glitch. He got teleported in there without a key card, so
That's
that's kind of good.
Yeah.
Anyway, now we're gonna be going to jewelry store. Let's check out
Jewelry store, bank, and then that's it again. That's it. That's all we're doing.
Here we go, jewelry store.
My friend is taking dust at this time. After this, we're probably gonna end the video and we're gonna see what is the difference between both of them.
Yep. We're just gonna rob bank once more, and then we're gonna be done.
Yep, we're gonna be done. Just making my way through this place. Now cash.
As you can see, Binu 1231 he already left because 2000 cash it is easier to get because you only need to break 4 of them. And if you have a smaller duffel bag, I suggest you go for these 4 that you see right now.
That's the most easiest.
Yeah, they're the easiest. There's very few lasers that we're looking at right now. Not the ones that we're taking, but the ones we're looking at. Those are the easiest to take probably.
And for the
viable.
ones I was doing in the end, I would say to use first person because it's much easier in first person for those. And because sometimes if you don't use first person, you fall for some reason. Or not this one. I don't like this one.
It's a bit hard. It's medium actually. It's not too hard, but it is still hard. Okay, so we're still doing it now.
One
Oops.
hurt. Oh,
Yeah,
no.
one hurt. Oh, we're almost dead. Okay, we're gonna heal up a bit. You
Yep.
sure, I think? Yeah, let's heal up for a bit.
I'm just gonna go here, go here, go here.
This is an easy one.
Go here, and then just wait here.
Just gonna wait in this corner. Heal up, heal up. Heal right now.
Healing up.
We're almost.
Oh,
Oh, okay, we're gonna heal up again. We're just gonna stay in here. Heal up, heal up.
yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah, I went
Okay,
through.
we're out.
It's a bit risky, but I did it. What? Asima? What did you do?
Okay, we don't know what just happened. Okay, so we're not gonna count jewelry store, I guess. Now let's
Yeah.
just go and do the bank.
That was some weird
Weird.
glitch. I just suddenly just jumped out.
Okay, so
something.
now we're going to the bank. Now we're going to the bank. So at the bank, we're gonna rob the bank one more time, and then yeah, we're gonna be done. Cuts. Now we're getting in, and we're gonna start the bank robbery. And
Okay,
yes, this is
it's
gonna be the last. Oh, it's
robbery.
deductions. Yeah, and this is gonna be the
I'm not
last.
so good in this one. My friend also
Oh.
died.
Binu just oofed.
So we're not gonna be doing bank. Instead of bank, actually we'll just do museum. It's a simple thing. So my friend died. It's a thing.
So yeah, we're gonna go and do museum now.
Noob. Big noob. Come on.
Yeah.
When I died, I'm not saying anything like that, but still, come on.
Yeah, we're gonna do museum now because it's much easier. Our prices are gonna be different.
Come in, let's go.
So yeah, that. But yeah, so we're gonna do museum. Sorry about no bank being there.
I have to use rocket fuel.
Now we're here though. Now we're gonna do museum, and then museum's gonna be added. And in the end, if you guys did answer it and put it in the comments, then good for you. And also, we will be checking the comment. The first comment, if you the first comment on our video, just comment your username along with whatever you want to say, and we'll gift you any safe you want. And make sure to keep your username with all caps, all numbers, and everything that is there in your username.
Yeah, perfectly correct. Because last time, one comment, we got nothing.
Okay, so yeah, make sure your username and everything is given properly, and then we're just gonna gift you that safe. First comment will be gifted a free 30,000 safe from us. And also, if you like the video, make sure to like it and subscribe. So yeah, and now we're just gonna be doing
Pull?
yep, there we go. Going the level, and this is the last robbery.
My roaster is already there. I'm just gonna it.
I'm just gonna wait for Binu 131. And I know I said this earlier, but another thing, the price that we are deducting is $2,300 from ours, and no deductions from Binu 131. So if you guys remember perfectly, then Binu 131 started at 884, and we started at 96,000.
And we got total of, wait, finish, go,
And I'm just gonna be
3,
walking.
2, 1, done.
Okay,
We got
so
total of
we finished with a total of 127,250 subtracted from 2,300 because we got those two things. So I'll become 124,900 for us, and Binu 131 got 71,000
17,000.
or 17,000,
And we got 27, 26, let's just say 25.
we got around 25,000.
20, we got like 28, 29,000. So we almost got double of him. So if you guys think that's very good, then you should buy it. I would suggest buy it. If you only have 300 Robux, then suggest not to buy it. But you have like 1,000 Robux, then if you're willing to spend, then you should buy it.
Yep. So yeah, that's gonna be it about this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see next time maybe. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.